Hi there. Education is important. Education is important for all professionals, for doctors learning new procedures, for home inspectors being upgraded on the things that they need to inspect for your home. The heater that was in your home 30 years ago is not the heater that you have in your home today. And us as tax professionals, the tax law changes every day. So it's necessary that we have our education and keep up to date. Then you have regular tax professionals that just prepare your return at the end of the year, or you have your TMOs, that's your tax maintenance officers. I'm a TMO. I like to meet my clients all throughout the year so we can reduce those taxes and that tax liability and look at your profit and loss, see what expenses that you can do without to increase your profit. If you have any questions, please click the link below to schedule an appointment today.